Welcome to this video, where I'll show you how to change your password in the United Airlines app. Sometimes you might need to update your password for better security. First, open the United Airlines app on your phone. Next, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then scroll down until you find Account Security. After that, select Change Password. The app will send a verification code to your registered email address. Go to your email inbox, copy the verification code, and paste it into the United Airlines app. Once you've entered the code, tap Continue. Now, type in your current password to confirm your identity. Then, enter your new password in the required field. Finally, click Save to update your password. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.